In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Acuity scheduling. Whether you're expanding your business internationally or just want to offer your services in a different currency, adjusting your currency settings on Acuity scheduling is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in so you can get back to managing your appointments with ease. First up, we're going to navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. This is where all the magic happens. It's your central hub for managing appointments, viewing your calendar, and of course customizing your settings, including the currency you wish to operate in. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see a login button prominently displayed, typically at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to accessing all the personalized features of Acuity scheduling. Now it's time to identify yourself. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you input the email associated with your Acuity scheduling account. This email is essentially your identity on the platform and ensures that all your settings and preferences are correctly saved and applied. After entering your email, click on Next to proceed. This step verifies your email and takes you closer to the heart of your Acuity settings. Following your email verification, click on Continue with Google. This option allows for a seamless login experience, leveraging your existing Google account. It's all about making your process as smooth as possible, ensuring you spend less time on setups and more time managing your schedule. At this point, you'll need to select your Google account. If you have more than one, make sure to choose the one that is linked to your Acuity scheduling. This consolidation keeps all your scheduling and appointment details in sync. Once logged in successfully, your next destination is the payment settings. Here's where you can tweak, adjust, and set up how you wish to receive payments for your services. You can access the payment settings via a direct link, which we've provided for convenience. But essentially, this section is accessible from the settings or configuration menu on your Acuity dashboard. In the payment settings, look for the currency section. It might take a moment to locate, but once you find it, you're right where you need to be. This section is where you can view your current currency setting and change it according to your preferences. Clicking on Currency opens up a list of available currencies. Acuity scheduling supports a wide range of currencies, enabling businesses globally to use the platform effectively. Take a moment to scroll through the options and select the currency that you wish to use for your transactions. After selecting your desired currency, don't forget to hit Save. This action confirms your change and applies it to your account. The change in currency will now reflect across your scheduling platform, from your booking page prices to the payment summaries and invoices. And just like that, you've successfully changed your currency setting on Acuity scheduling. This simple adjustment can have significant implications for your business, making it more accessible to international clients, or simply aligning your services with your local currency preferences. A quick tip before we wrap up: always make sure your payment processor supports the currency you're switching to. This ensures that your transactions will process smoothly without any hiccups along the way. In today's global marketplace, being able to easily adapt your business settings, including currency, is crucial. By following the steps we've outlined, you can ensure that your Acuity scheduling platform is perfectly aligned with your business's operational needs. Whether you're expanding your reach or just making it easier for local clients to understand your pricing, changing the currency setting can help make your business more adaptable and customer friendly. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope this guide makes managing your Acuity scheduling account even easier, helping you focus on what really matters: growing your business and serving your clients.